Today we are talking about medical device packaging. A few years ago, a customer of ours came to us with an issue that they were having while packing their devices into the outer cartons. Now, in the medical industry, it is extremely important that the data on the original label be carried throughout all of the different packaging levels. This data includes the lot number, expiration dates, manufacturer dates, serial numbers, reference numbers, and so on. The problem with these labels is that they look very similar, and that in some cases it is nothing more than a few digits that separate this part number from another part number. So here at Coridian, we put together a software application called a packaging verifier. Now, what is a packaging verifier? Well, here at Coridian, we defined it as a software tool that utilizes automatic identification technology to ensure that the correct product is placed into the correct packaging container. Now, whether we are using barcode technology or RFID technology, the system itself must be able to handle multiple levels of packaging containers, which can include pouches, cases, cartons, or other types of containers. It is important to note that this process should be started from the data on the customer's work order. This will give us all of the base information that we will need in order to correctly verify all of the different packaging levels. So here is our packaging verifier. First, we will click on Verify Product, enter our user ID for tracking purposes, then scan the item number from our work order. We have now loaded that item into the system, and we will continue scanning the lot number and expiration date from our work order. When ready, we click the Start button, and we start the scanning process. As you can see, the system is prompting us to scan the pouch barcode. Now, in this configuration, we are packing 10 pouches into one carton. As we scan each pouch, you can see the counter increment by 1. What happens though if we scan the carton label out of sequence? In this case, we have generated a GTIN error because the GTIN number is different from the carton as opposed to the pouch. So now the operator must have a supervisor come see the message, and they must override and allow the operator to get back to the scanning process. And it is designed so that if there is an error, they have to start the process completely over again. So now they scan the item number from the work order, re-enter the lot number, scan the expiration date, and start the scanning process over again. The system will continue to prompt them to scan the pouch barcodes until they have scanned 10. As you can see, the incrementing counter will let the operator know where they are within the scanning process. Once they have scanned all 10, the prompt will change to scan the carton label. Here now they scan the carton label, which has a different GTIN. The system will then reset the counters for carton number 2. In this case, they are done. They click the Done button, click Yes to the lot complete, and the system will generate a verification label that will be attached to the shop order to indicate that this lot has been verified successfully. Thanks for watching.